Alright, this is Dodge versus International. Dodge held up against the Explorer. Oh man! We lost something! We lost something! What did we lose?
That's what it's brake light for. No, it's parking brake.
We ripped the tendons right out of it, didn't we?
Yeah!
Well, it'll come off somewhere.
Way to go, you! Round 2, International versus Dodge. Oh, looks like the Dodge is losing. Give her! Give her!
Well, how was that for a match? Who won?
Oh, it's a judgment call.
Dodge! Dodge!
Recording?
Yeah.
Hail to the victor! Hail to the victor! I won! I have the carnage! I mean vantage, not carnage.